For all the Nigerians abroad wishing to come down to establish one business or the other, this video is for you, so come forward. Hello people, here is your lady Onyi Ndoka, and I bring to you the tips on how to establish successful businesses based on what I have seen around experience and observation. Yes, now for those abroad hoping to come and set up and establish some viable businesses, you must ensure that for you to establish any business, that you have to learn about that business that you want to set up by carrying or doing a proper research to find out how that business will work out and thrive in a very targeted area of choice. Learning about the business that you want to do and the targeted area of choice, okay, you must ensure you carry a proper feasibility study on as regard to the costs and the challenges that will be associated with that business you want to establish. And also it's necessary for you to know that you must form your community, build your brand, and have a market with several outlets, at least one outlet for your sales. Also, you should know that businesses, okay, thrive according to what works in a particular area, not according to what you're told. Whatever research, you can whether theoretical or practical, it must be from the latest version of that source of information. And having done that, devise means on how you can monitor your business, whatever business you want to establish here, if you are living abroad, okay, so you don't lose your money. So guys, every business that you abroad, you Nigerian abroad, want to establish down here is viable and possible, even workable. Depends on the determination you have to hit your goal. Yes, as long as you have devised your means of monitoring your business in order not to lose your money, okay, every business is possible, every business is establishable, okay. Ensure you don't do your business based on hearsay or going by what is trending or what the social media tells you. Don't forget, the social media only tells you the good parts of any business they want you to know or learn about. So guys, do not forget to learn the business of choice. Carry out a feasibility study as to know the costs and the challenges that comes with it. Ensure to carry out your research from the latest version of your source of information. Do not rely on hearsay or going by what is trending or even what the social media tells you, okay. Have your targeted area of choice. Make sure you devise strategies and means of monitoring your business in order not to lose your money. Form your community, build your brand, have your markets, then establish outlets for your sales, okay. Every business is workable, is doable, based on your goal and your determination. Remember that you establishing a lot of conviction coming from your research. So consider this list of things, these tips that I've just mentioned now, and then try that and thank me later. Please do not forget to follow my page, like my video, and share to your friends, okay. I love you guys. I want you to be the best, to come back to Nigeria and establish